Hello students, today I am going to discuss how you can do your lab experiments for analog electronics 2 virtually. You can see the circuit diagram. As you know, the circuit diagram is consisted of two different resistors and op-amp IC741 we will be using, and you can also see the circuit components required. V in is the input voltage, V out is the output voltage. Circuit components required, as you can see, DC stabilized power supply, we will be using plus minus 9 volt. Secondly, op-amp IC741, resistors R in and RF. Potentiometer will be used to vary the input voltage, then connecting wires and breadboard. Let's start the experiment, and before that you need to know that what will be the working formula, that is how you can calculate the voltage gain. Theoretically you already know V out is equal to minus RF by R in multiplied with V in is your equation. So now let's make the circuit virtually. You know different simulators are available to implement analog circuits like PSpice, MATLAB, Tinkercad and so on. Here I'll be using Tinkercad. You can easily use it on your desktop computer or laptop or on your smartphone. Just go to Play Store and install this particular app in your mobile. Now here you can see the experimental table which you have to draw on your copy. The first column is the serial number, second column is the input voltage V in, third column is the output voltage V out, fourth column is the voltage gain obtained after the experimentation, that is AV is equal to V out by V in. Now it's time to implement the circuit. Click the button Create New Circuit. Then as per the components list we made, we have to select the components and have to make the circuit. This is your workspace where you have to implement or make the circuit. First, I will select the breadboard. Just type here breadboard. You will get the breadboard. Then the op-amp IC741. Select and drag it. Now we will select the resistors we need. We are using R1 to be 1 kilo ohm and RF to be 2.2 kilo ohm. Try to calculate, that is as per the theoretical equation, the gain should be 2.2 divided by 1, that is 2.2 will be the voltage gain we obtained theoretically. Now select the battery of 1.5 volt and then the batteries of plus minus 9 volt. Now we have to find the potentiometer to vary the input voltage. Now make the circuit, that is for the wiring part. You can choose the color of the wires you are using as per your convenience.